Audio renderer error on YouTube. If you have tried all the basic troubleshooting such as restart computer, restart your browser, audio settings, all these basic troubleshooters you have done but still you have a problem, let's try the advanced troubleshooting methods. What you have to do is disable hardware acceleration. In your browser settings, try disabling hardware acceleration as it can sometimes cause issues. Chrome/Brave, any of the browser, go to brave.//settings/systems and toggle off. Use hardware acceleration when available. Disable Vulkan. Update audio drivers. Auto-dated audio drivers can also cause problems. Try a BIOS update. Restart Windows Audio Services. Open the run command box. How to do it? You have to press Window key plus R. Type services.msc and press enter. Find Window Audio in the list. Right click and select restart. Run the video playback troubleshooter, open settings, then systems, then troubleshoot, then other troubleshooters, then video playback, then run. Hope this will help you. If you find the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.